Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
But don't worry, you won't be banned from TikTok at all. You'll just be temporarily disallowed to follow any users for some time. This may last half an hour, 2 hours, 10 hours or up to a maximum of 3 days.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
How long does this error last? Normally all such minor errors in TikTok last for few minutes. So if you close the app for around 30 minutes, the error should be fixed. But sometimes it might last from a few hours to 3 days.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
1,000 followers. You need at least 1,000 followers to per able to live stream. Your followers can gift you coins as you live stream. Once you have accumulated enough of these to make it worthwhile, you can trade the coins for real cash.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
For any of the videos I create on TikTok, I only consider it viral if it at least gets to 250,000 views. This is the entry level of a viral video. When a video crosses 1 million views, it's medium viral. When it's got 3 million or more views, it is now in mega viral status.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.